Hi folks, and welcome back to my channel. Gourmet Grandad here once again, and today we're in Naples. We're on holiday here and it's a great place. We're staying at the San Francisco apartments, and I want to say firstly a big thank you to our host Camilla, who's looking after us very well. And tonight we're going to do a Napoli sauce, and here are our basic ingredients. We might add more, there's no doubt about that. We've got some here, some basilica. That's basil to you and me. We've got some tomato sauce there, some passata, some very strong Parmigiano Reggiano, some lemon, some garlic. We're going to probably use about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, a whole white onion, some spaghetti, and some mixed olives to give it extra flavour. So yeah, we'll carry on with the cooking. So, here we have a large pan of boiling water for the spaghetti. In there we go with a very large pinch of salt. In there goes a little drizzle of olive oil. Not everybody does this, but I do think it's going to help to stop the spaghetti from sticking together. And then we can go in with the spaghetti. Now we're not going to use too much. You've got to bear in mind that we're only cooking for 2 tonight, so that's all we need really. So in that goes, and we'll let that cook down. We've got about 8 minutes, and in that 8 minutes we can cook out a lovely sauce. So onto the hob with a pan, and then we go in with a drop of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, not too much. Then we can go in with our chopped onion. Now we're just going to let this cook down for a while, and then we'll come back and add the garlic. Now the onion's starting to get a little bit soft, as you can see, we can pop in the garlic. We do it this way round because garlic tends to burn very quickly. And then we just give that a few minutes. Now we add the passata. And give this a mix. Now it's brought back to the boil, we can add our seasoning. We're going to just have a small pinch of salt, and that goes.
Not too much salt, it's not good for your heart.
Quite a bit of black pepper, always like that. And our basilica. Probably about 2 teaspoons, I should think. Mix that in and let that brew for a while. Now a big squeeze of this lovely juicy lemon. In that goes. Some red wine. And finally, our mixture of olives. Stir this all in, and then we have our Napoli sauce. Today we're going to take the sauce to the pasta. I'll show you what I mean. Into the pan with the pasta, and then in with the sauce. And then we are ready to plate up. So a little bit of this Parmigiano Reggiano on the top, just to give it a bit of flavour, and we'll give this a go. It's quite exciting really. Now that really tastes good to me. Do you know, I'm going to do this again and again. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe like and share, and I'll see you again next time in the next video. Bye for now.